Hey, how's it going everyone? So welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna head out to the local woods here. I was there in the winter and did a video, but today we're gonna go up there and we're gonna hike the long trail and film as much as possible from that. Then I'm gonna go to the outdoors gym up there and film some gym content. Before that, I'm gonna chill out somewhere, and I'm gonna bring a grill with me, so like one of those one-time thingies, and then I'm gonna fix some food and eat and rest a bit before doing the gym. So yeah, that's the plan for today. So the adventure part will be just the hike and the food. And then the gym content will come at the end of the month, as per the schedule. So yeah, let's get packing, and sorry about the mess. Stuff is everywhere, but we'll see what we pack. Yeah. I'm gonna go in here in the store and grab like a banana and a protein bar or something, and an energy drink. I need something in me. I felt it straight away when I headed out that I was a bit empty. So yeah. Okay, so here's what we got: sugary energy drink, a banana, a nougat bar, and a protein bar. 829 calories, so that should give us plenty of energy while we're hiking before we eat. So yeah. Okay, so we're here in the Vrinnevi. Apparently tomorrow there's supposed to be some race up here, Norrköping Stadslopp. So yeah, good thing we got out here today. Otherwise it would have been completely packed, I'm guessing. So yeah, here's the usual nature reservation plaque with info about this place. So let's see. Welcome to Vrinnevi Nature Reservation. Vrinnevi has been the recreational area for residents of Norrköping for over 100 years, ever since the 1880s, when the town leased the northern part of the area for this purpose. It has extensive forest with old pines, flowering meadows and ancient grave fields. But it also offers a forest for adventurous games, a picnic on the grass and peaceful walks. Vrinnevi is predominantly a pine-dominated coniferous forest with some open fields, stretches of deciduous woodland and ruins of old crofts. When the Vrinnevi wetlands were established in 2009, the park became one habitat richer. The park is maintained with the combined goals of favoring both recreational use and the flora and fauna. There are paths and jogging tracks for all tastes, with everything from pram-friendly gravel roads to riding trails. As a piece of nature close to home, Vrinnevi is unusually large, the equivalent of 400 football fields, so there's much to discover. And then there's the extra rules for allemansrätten, and you're not allowed to tent and camp in this area, which I wouldn't suggest doing regardless, because it's very close to the city. Like there's two suburbs bordering the woods, so there's lots of activity here. But yeah, let's check the map. So let's see, we are here, pretty sure. And let's see, so it's the yellow trail that's the longest. So yeah, let's follow the yellow trail. Let's see here. I guess the gym is not marked out, but yeah, it's not exactly hard to find. So yeah, let's get going. It's pretty thick up here, the woods. When I was here last in the winter, the other path that is like 0.8 or 8 kilometers, that one is a lot more open. This is more like, yeah, magical forest. this is the kind that I love. Like, it's super bright up there, but it's very like cool and damp, or cool and sheltered down here. Yeah, the sun don't really reach down, even though yeah, I'm walking on the path. Okay, so we're back to the start spot. I think that was 12, 10 or 12. There's like that one, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah, probably like 10 kilometers. But yeah, there should be a rest spot somewhere around here where I can set up the grill and fix some food. I'm not really super hungry, but I really need to get a decent meal in me before I do that gym sesh. So yeah, let's go for that. So yeah, here here we can be. Here is for some funsies. It took us an hour, no, 122 minutes, 13,000 steps and 1,000 calories burnt. So yeah, 2 hours, but yeah, let's get cracking on the food. Yeah, first thing before we get some food here, rehydrate to get back all the lost like sodium and shit like that. So I'm just gonna take 2 in some water, drink that. Yeah, well, that worked fan-fucking-tastic. Good job whoever made that thing. Sure, it's been sitting around forever since I think my kid brother left those when he moved, but still, what the fuck? Charcoal briquettes doesn't really get old, does it? Well, I brought some extra lighting stuff, so we'll see if that works. Okay, so we managed to get some hot food after all. The colds finally took off, but like, yeah, I don't know. It took so many of those fire starters to get the burn. I guess, yeah, throw those damn grills away and just pick up a bag of coal, I guess. But it's supposed to be super easy. Just bring one of those along and light it up, but yeah, not this time. But yeah, marinated in soy sauce, barbecue sauce, sriracha, salt, pepper, grill spices, or allspice, I think it's called, and then marinated pretty much 24 hours. Pretty damn tasty. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this trip. From here I'm just gonna drink some caffeinated soda and get ready to do the outdoors gym session. And I think I better hurry up. I don't know what is the time. I have no idea. I have a clock though. Maybe I should watch that. Oh, it's only 20 past 2, so it's just that we're shaded in the forest, I guess. But yeah, hopefully this was enjoyable, and hopefully the patch job I did on my sleep pad worked. It's gonna be interesting to see if the pad is deflated. I need to do the whole soap and water thing, because if it's still not holding after that big patch job I did, I bought special like glue that becomes like plastic on top of it, and it looked like yeah, no way, it's not gonna hold. So if it's deflated, there's gonna be more holes. I need to find those, but hopefully not, and we can go out soon-ish. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to be out while I'm doing 75 hard, to follow the rules for that. So probably not gonna do anything big until 75 hard is done. Yeah, I need to be able to go to the gym and stuff, since that's the rules I set for myself, to do one strength workout and one cardio workout per day. So yeah, but we'll see. There is that big trip for September. It's like 50 kilometers to walk, almost. Go from Söderköping to Valdemarsvik along the Östgöta led. So that's gonna be cool. We'll see if I have company or not. But yeah, that's it for this time. Like, comment, hit the notification bell, and remember, uploads first 8, 15 and 22nd of the month, along with the daily vlogs and shorts and stuff. But yeah, thanks for hanging out today. Hope you liked our local forest here. We're super spoiled in Norrköping to have this place, and there's like a lot of places around, but this is like super close to the like city center. It's like 5 minutes with the bus, or like half an hour from me to walk out here. And yeah, really nice forest, not just forest. So yeah, that's it. Have a great one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.